Go ahead.
Grabe, ang saya naman dito. Hindi namin alam ganito yung setup. Pagpasok namin kanina, nasan yung yung press ko, yung video ko. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. Baliktad po yung sign mo, hindi ko mabasa yan. Thank you guys for showing up. We are super excited at today. I think a lot of you napanood na yung episodes 1. Hindi ko, napanood yun na ba? Kamusta naman? Maganda naman daw. Kami, ano? Ano sabi? Marupok si Cha. Marupok daw si Cha.
Uy, grabe. At some point naman, di ba naging marupok tayong lahat? Hello po sa inyo. Thank you so much for being here and everyone watching us live right now. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, Donnie and Belle. And as Donnie said, ibang-iba nga yung setup today, di ba? Hindi siya yung usual na media con, na may Q&A lang. Ito may fan meet element involved. And speaking of fan meet, meron tayong activity na gagawin. We actually have a post-it wall na iaakyat dito. And they actually said 2 lucky names. Because...
Two lucky names. Wow.
Kaya ba? Kaya ba?
Ayaw
Okay.
minista.
Because yung pupunutin na lang names, they will get a signed Polaroid photo with Belle. Okay, so let's draw the 2 names, Donnie and Belle. Ayun na, yun yung makukuha niyong Polaroid photo. Sweet naman yan! Ano ba yan? On-cam ba yan? Off-cam? Ano na ba to?
Secret!
Parang...
Uy, rare yan Huwag nyo ibenta yan. O, pipili na tayo, Ting. Okay. So, isa muna, or dalawa na?
Isa-isa.
Isa-isa muna. Okay, go. Mahiwagang bowl. Parang sa mix na natin ay. Ano na? Sure? Sure na yan?
Alright.
Ang una, feeling ko mahilig sa chismis to.
Ay, bakit?
Marites! Marites! Sino?
Ay, hello!
Hello po, Mami! Panalo si Mami. Please join us here in the back. Ay, di ba? Sorry.
Diyan na lang.
Congratulations sa Polaroid photo.
Ayaw natin pahirapan si Mami. Okay.
Thank you, Mami.
Congrats po, Ms. Marites! Again, you will get a signed Polaroid photo of Donnabelle.
Alright. And the second winner for the Polaroid photo is Michelle Barbera.
Ay, ayun na siya! Hi, Michelle!
Congratulations, Michelle.
Parang swerte yung mga letter M, Marites,
Oo, Marites and Michelle.
Oo. Now, alam ko, lahat kayo ba, gusto nyo rin manalo, don't worry because we also have 2 more lucky winners. Ito naman, aakyat na sa... You will get a photo with Alright, let's choose the 2 names. Good luck, guys! Good luck! Dapat i-raise niyo yung chance niyo! Kulang ko letter M din to. Tingnan natin.
Nagsisimula sa letrang T.
Asa na mga letter T ang pangalan nagsisimula? Meron ba?
Wala. Sure kayo? Kay Teresa Erenia.
Oh. Are you here? Teresa? Yes! Congrats! Okay, please proceed here. Tapos, bunutin na natin yung isa so they can also stand by.
Rona A. Villablanca.
Puro doon? Ay, ikaw ba yun? Ikaw talaga?
Rona.
Wow! Ang swerte yung side na to. Congratulations!
Congrats.
Okay, please proceed to this side of the stage. Andito po ang stairs. So again, they won a photo with Don Bell on stage! Congratulations! Halika na! Here is your moment with Don Bell. Okay po. Dito po tayo mag-picture. Dito po. Tingin po tayo dito. Smile. Wow! Our second winner. Hi, Sir MJ Felipe! May pa-insert si Sir MJ. Nasa concert din daw pala siya. Hi! Congratulations! Wow, may dala pa siyang mga rose. Okay. This is your moment with Don Bell. Okay? We will have a picture na. Alright. Dito po sa kanan. Yes. Smile. Up close and personal. Okay, kinakabahan ako sa'yo, kuya. Ingat po. Ingat po. There you go. Congratulations. Alright, now, alam ko naiingit kayo. Naiingit kayo doon. Gusto nyo na ba ng picture with Don Bell? Alright, we will do a groupie with Don Bell. So, Donnie and Bell, kindly stand. And magkakaroon tayo ng... Ang cute nito. Oh guys, raise your flags, raise your banners, yung mga headbands ninyo. Everybody say Don Bell! Everybody say Maltese! Everybody say How to Spot a Red Flag! Yay! Thank you guys! Maraming salamat.
May request ako.
Ano, Donnie?
Gusto ko lang how to spot a red flag, tapos now showing. Pwede ba?
Pagbibigyan pa natin si Tony, syempre
Pwede.
naman!
O para sa stories ko to Okay. How to spot a red flag.
Magsisimula kay Belle. Wow!
Grabe na to!
O guys, galingan nyo Lakasan natin ang boses.
How to spot a red flag.
Now showing daw.
Now airing, now showing.
Now streaming.
Now streaming. Now streaming. Okay, game. Okay lang yan. Para personal. 3, 2, 1, go. How to spot a red flag?
Alam kong nag-enjoy kayo dyan. Pero ma-istorbo ko lang kayo, no? Over here, we have our How to Spot a Red Flag post-it wall. They have messages and questions for you there. Choose 2 to 3, kayo bahala, and then you'll answer it. So, kunin nyo na yung 2 to 3 post-its, and then you'll answer here in your seats.
Okay.
Okay? So, okay,
Sure.
dito po. Go ahead. And while you choose, bababa na muna ako to speak to some of our bubblies who are here.
Okay.
Okay, nakapili ka na ba?
2 or 3, ma.
2 to 3, ganyan.
2 or 3.
Sige, habang pumipili sila, kasi alam niyo naman si Donnie O's siya eh. Oh. So, gusto niya talaga best questions. Sorry na guys, sorry na guys. Sino hindi mo nakapanood na nung first episode? Let's choose one. Hi po, ma'am. What's your name?
Chell.
Chell, ano po ang masasabi niyo sa first episodes?
It was amazing and super exciting yung palabas nila. And nakakailaw.
Nakakailang. Paano pa ngayon na nasa harap niyo na yung Don Bell?
Lalo.
Thank you po, Miss Chell. Sino ba ang may thoughts about how to spot a red flag? Okay, please. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Yel.
Yel, anong masasabi mo sa first episode?
Oh my God, yung first episode, yung episode 1 and 2, super nakaka-love. Like, super excited ako sa love story ng Matcha.
Hey, Matcha! So, abangan po natin kung paano po magde-develop ang story ng Matcha.
Sorry po. Ayan. Okay.
Hello.
Sino na?
Yes, you can go.
Okay. Ito. To Don Bell, how do you handle red flag person? How do you handle a red flag person? From Keynote. How do you handle?
How do you handle?
How do you handle? I think you have to be upfront. Alam mo naman, minsan tayo pabebe. Pero, medyo na sisira niya na kung anong pagkatao mo. Alam mo masasabi mo red flag yung isang tao kapag hindi ka comfortable comfortable sa ginagawa niya, comfortable sa kung paano ko sabihin ito? Kung hindi ka nagiging comfortable kung sa pagkatao niya sa'yo or paano ka niya tratuhin, be honest with him or her. Wag na tayo magpabel. Just say what you like and say what you don't like. And I think it would be a good help for them to reflect on what they do.
Yeah, agree. And I think very important yung mag-uusap muna kayong dalawa kung ano ba yung do's and don'ts niyo dalawa or non-negotiables yung mga ganun. Para yung guys are both on the same page. And also, kasi minsan, lalo na sa pag-ibig, madaling ma-blinded eh. Diba? Kailangan, may mga tao din sa paligid nyo na nagsasabi ng, uy, Donnie, parang iba to, or something na hindi yung masyado nakikita at first. Pero yung pala red flag na. So, always be open-minded into thinking, yes, genuine and honesty is a big part of this. And just be true to what you feel as well. Yun. Oh, ako naman.
Sinabi mo, sa love, madaling ma-blind.
Oo, madaling ma-blind.
Na-colorblind ka na ba sa love?
Ibang project na yun, ha? Tinanong mo na yan dati. Donato and Belinda, what advice would you give Cha and Ma? Oo, maganda yan. Cha and Matt. By Yel. Oy, ikaw yun, yeah. Advice kay Cha. Ay, di kasi, first 2 episodes pa lang, tsaka yung ibang dito nanonood ng live stream, di ko alam kung napanood na ninyo. So, walang spoilers. Pero advice ko kay Matt, just follow your gut feeling. And follow your heart.
Sagot niya.
Follow your heart.
Kaya ko yan. Pero galing-galing mo sumagot.
Kasi naman siya, ano ba yan? Bakit siya? Ano ba yan? Hindi, pero kailangan mo rin at some point matutong piliin yung sarili mo. So, kaya mo yan siya. Tapang-tapang mo eh.
Tsaka huwag kang mabudol sa mga scammers.
Oo
Ang daming
naman.
scammers.
Diba, be vigilant. Be extra vigilant. Yun.
Alright, thank you very much. Nauna pa kayo sa press na magtanong guys. So, di ba? Gusto niyo yun? Ganun kahalaga ang bubbly sa Donmel at sa View. So, thank you very much for answering those questions, Donnie and Belle. And to our dear fans who are here, please settle in because the fun is just about to start. It's time to welcome the full cast. A warm welcome to Jameson Blake, who plays Leandro J.R. Valdez Jr. Hi, Jameson! Hello! Ang nagsimula ng lahat ng pagka-catfish. Hi, Jameson! Alright, please join us here. There you go. Hello! Alright, now we'd like to welcome our cast member who plays Maximo Maxi Padilla and looking fab as always, our dear internet sensation and actor Noreni. Hello! Kindly take your seat. There you go. Sige, habang hinahanap ng kanyang seat, let's welcome our next cast member. She plays Marian Flores. Please welcome Miss Angel Aquino! Hi, Miss Angel. Nagulat siya ang taas ng stage. Pero mas matangkad pa rin po kayo, Miss Angel. Of course, our dear supermodel. Hi, Miss Angel. Careful po, Miss Angel. There you go. Okay. And now let's welcome our next cast celebration. Yes, you may now take your seats. O, di ba guys? Ang saya ng experience, no? Kasama kayo sa MediaCon! Are you guys having fun? Alright, we're about to have more fun because we will be hearing their answers in just a bit. So, to our dear cast, may pagkatanggal ng polo naman doon. Sino mo mag-again? Ben, malamig ba? To everyone watching the live stream, hindi malamig kasi talaga dito. Di ba malamig? Oo. So, nagpaka-gentleman lang si Donnie. Oo. Pero ang sweet pa rin, di ba? Di pa nagsa-start? Sabi na ang kilig. Ano ba yan? Alright, now, to get the ball rolling, I'd like to start with a question for Direk Dwayne. Hi, this is for you, Direk Dwayne. Nagulat po kayo. Yes. So, Direk Dwayne, could you share with us how the casting for the show came together and, of course, the journey behind developing the story po?
Hello, ayun. So, pumasok po ako, halos po na. At sobrang excited nung nalaman ko na it's gonna be Don Bell. Kasi parang, di ba, sila yung ating biggest na love team. So, sino hindi may excite at sino hindi tatanggi with working with Don Bell. And syempre, kasama sila Ate Mai, sila Miss A, na gusto ko nang makatrabaho ever since. At lahat po ng ito. So, sobra akong excited. Si Kira also directing this series. Ayun po.
Actors naman of Don Bell. How is it working po with Don Bell? Who would like to start? Nagdisilat si Bell. Esneer! Ako talaga yung ikaw na, Esneer.
Hello po. Salamat sa pagpunta sa concert ko, guys. Of course, it's English. It's always an honor working with them. Actually, na-realize ko na yung pinaka-first movie ko is with them. And right now, pinaka-first series ko is also with them. It's parang first time pa rin siya. And of course, super grateful to have worked with them and together with these veteran actors and actresses. Totoo naman yung style! Diba? Kahit ako yung dinodog show nila dun sa set, I'm having fun. Parang hindi totoo na honored ka eh. Sobrang honored, top 1 pa nga eh. Ayun, how about you, love?
Ay, ganon?
I really enjoyed working with Esme. It's actually my first time working with Don Bell. Second time with Bell actually, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really a nice and fun project, and I really like my role. At the same time, it's in a really nice place. La Union, we're surfing, and we're just having a good time. So, ayan.
It's always a nice working experience with Don Bell. Parang kahit sinong nakakatrabaho kayo, always good words ang lumalabas sa kanila na parang talagang sobrang professional, sobrang babait. Now we'd like to hear from our highly respected, award-winning, top caliber actors. Nakasama natin.
Ganun kasi, hindi yung veteran. Highly respected at saka award-winning.
Top caliber award-winning.
Pinagtrabahuan namin ito eh.
Go ahead, Miss May. Baka po gusto niyo pong mauna. How was it like working with Don Bell?
I hate it.
Bakit ba naman?
No. It's just, I wasn't, of course, alam ko sila yung pinakasikat ngayon, sila yung, a lot of people look up to them and all that jazz. But, you know, to work with them really, I was actually very surprised. Because the chemistry that you guys have on screen, it's not just on screen. Charot lang nga, hindi totoo. No, really. I see it even of, yeah, yung ganitong mga little gestures na ginagawa ni Don kay Belle, and the way Belle also consults with Don. Halimbawa, yung mga, pwede ko bang kainin tong mushroom? Kalandi kong bata. Hoy, kinikilig ako. It's so true. That's why I think it works all the time na pag magkasama kayo and may mga projects kayo. Because I think it's very natural for you guys to actually really care for each other. Yung tinginan ninyo, hindi mapapansin. Oh, kasi matangkad siya, maliit. Yun, but yeah, it's nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, charot lang.
Thank you, Miss Mylene. Pero wait, hindi ako makaka-move on doon. Ano yung pagpapaalam ng pagkain ng mushroom? Belle Mariano, please explain.
May explanation ako dyan.
Okay,
lang.
pa-explain.
Hindi kasi kanina we were eating before we came up here on stage. For those who don't know, may anong type ng mushroom yun? Allergic ako sa mushroom. May isang type ng mushroom na allergic po ako.
Doktor ba si Donnie? Bakit siya tinatanong?
Kino-confirm ko lang kung yun ba yung mushroom na yun.
Ah.
Mama, na po kayong magalit, ma. Sorry po.
Yun pala.
Pero,
So, pinayagan ka ba? Pinayagan ka bang kainin yung mushroom?
siya na lang tanong.
Anong sinagot mo, Donnie? Anong sinagot mo doon?
Hindi ko alam dyan. Minsan kasi, ano eh, okay siya sa mushrooms, minsan hindi. Pero sabi ko, huwag na lang, para sure. Mahirap din pag ano, diba? Masakit yung tiyan or may mangyari sa... Parang si Matt. Ang dami nangyayari sa mukha niya. Pero yun, sabi ko, huwag na lang.
Safety first.
Always safety first.
Thank you. Okay, meron pa po bang gustong mag-comment sa working with Don Bell? Sir Benji Paras, ano po ba ang inyong mga
Nasabi na ni Myla, pero yung sobrang bait nila, silang dalawa na, alam mo yung kalan-karin, na pag sinayong, kain tayo, gusto mo, o sige, saan niyo gusto? Sasabihin nila, Ben, gutom kami, ano gusto niyo? Ayun, so gano'n. So sinasamantala namin.
Game na game ang Don Bell. Sir Christian?
Hindi, kukwento ko lang sa inyo kasi one time... Hindi, wala. Hindi, kukwento ko lang sa inyo. One time, andun kami sa standby area, tapos... Yun. Nakaupo ko doon, tapos andun silang dalawa, nag-script reading. Tapos tinitingnan ko lang silang dalawa. Alam mo yung nararamdaman ko na parang ang sarap maging ganyan yung age, no? Kasi kahit na nag-script reading lang sila, nakikita mo yung kahit pagtinginan sila. Hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko ba ng mali siya o hindi. Parang sabi ko, gusto ko maging ganyan edad. Diba? Parang iba yung meron silang dalawa. Ha? May mali siya kapag ako? Hindi ko ayokong i-judge eh. Pero iba lang yung pakiramdam ko. Parang sabi ko, parang may something. Pero kayo na mag-judge ha. Basta kinuwento ko lang sa inyo, kayo na bahala ha.
Ganun talaga pag ang tamis, no? Yung wala naman silang ginagawang extraordinary, pero pag tinignan mo, tamis! Miss Angel?
Oo nga ako na lang, di ba? Hindi, may ganun din akong experience like kay Christian. Shippers kami talaga eh. Siniship namin talaga sila. Kasi, bakit ba ayaw pa, di ba? Sabi ko nga, one time kasi, so nagtitaping kami, tapos si Belle, yung character niya, bumisita sa bahay. Tapos so siguro after a take, tapos may setup, iba yung... Oo, diba? Meron eh. Oo, parang malalasahan mo talaga. Ano po? Malalasahan mo yung tamis? Ano ba yun? Tapos sabi ko, natin kayo ba? Ay, hulaan nyo na lang kung ano sabi ko. Hindi ko lalaglag yung anak ko. At yung mahal ng anak ko. Hoy, excuse me, huwag kayong mag-assume ha. Wala akong sinabi. tinanong ko lang sila and they answered very truthfully. And I appreciate it. Yun lang, ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang authentic ng friendship nila. And I admire it, and it makes it so easy to work with them para sa aming lahat. Kasi ang gaan-gaan nilang katrabaho. Walang heaviness, wala sila nung parang, ay, magkaaway kami. Walang ganon. It feels so fresh and clean. Parang panty shield lang yun ah. No, seriously. Ang sarap na trabaho, ang gaan. Yun na lang, hanggang doon na lang po.
Grabe yung revelations. Hindi ko kinakaya. Kinakaya niyo ba? Donnie and Belle, in-expect niyo ba na magiging ganito yung start ng ating media con?
Nag-usap ba kayo sa likod? Ano ba itong pinasok natin?
Hindi kayo
Hindi,
prepared.
sobrang love namin yung cast namin. We really take into heart, everything they say, and when we're on set, feel namin yung good vibes talaga. To add to that, syempre sa Lodion kami nag-shoot. So para talaga kaming nasa bakasyon pero professional pa rin. Alam mo yun, hindi natin nakakalimutan na we're all there for a reason. So we are very blessed to have these amazing people here with us.
Yes, thank you for wrapping it up professionally, Donnie. Okay, now, actually, meron tayong ipapakita sa kanila emoji. Okay, let's play it.
Sasampalin.
Sorry. Last one po. Sorry. Okay. So, let's hear from them. Ano ba yung story behind that? Ano ba nangyari, guys?
Hindi na po magagalaw next time. Hindi kasi, bawal without spoiling kung paano. Hindi, okay. Kasi yun yung first time ko siyang na-slap. Diba? Sinampal kita nun. So, after yun nung take, syempre, kayo ba, hindi ba kayo makakonsensya kapag, diba, kuwakta ko na sampal mo. So, sorry about that.
Sobrang caring kasi after ng slap, chinek niya kagad kung okay ako. Pero itong si Direk, ang dami niyang shots, guys. At lahat yun walang daya. Totoong sampal yun. Kaya may close-up, may wide, may 2-shot, 3-shot. Ewan ko kung bakit ang daming sampal. Pwede naman dayain, pero hindi kasi gusto namin totoo para naman ma-feel namin talaga.
Hindi,
Ay,
parang
di ba?
ano lang naman yun.
Konti lang ba yun?
Konti lang yun. Pero lagi siyang sinicheck ni Belinda.
Oo.
Ayun nga yung tanong ko po. So, sabi mo, di ba, maraming angle. Kada take, may hug. Nice ba yun? Nice ba yun? Bayad na ako sa inyo, ah. Alright, now we have more BTS clips to show. Ito naman, parang bidang-bida dito sa Sir Benji Paras. Panoorin natin.
Ay, ano yun?
Isa pa po? Ano ba yung nangyari doon? Isa pa po.
Sabi.
One more. Si Donnie, nagpipicture.
I just go around with the disposable, di ba? And pinicturean ko lang si Tito Bench.
So, saan namin makita yung photos
Sorry,
na
may,
yun, Donnie?
meron nakakatawa dyan.
Oh.
Di ba nasa loob ka ng CR? Eh, nagtitake kami. Hindi siya makalabas. Ang tagal niya nandun. Sobrang tagal ng take, pero hindi siya makalabas kasi syempre, makikita siya. So yun yung lumabas siya. Pinicturean ko siya.
That's why. Yung pala yun. Ang sayo naman, bakit nakakakuha tayo ng glimpse talaga ng nangyayari sa set nila, no? Alright, now let's go to our next one. Nagtatawanan pa sila Miss Angel and Sir Christian doon. Let's watch it. May chini-cheers sila. Uy, proud. Okay. So they were cheering someone on. So can Can we guess kaya? Sino yung sinusuportahan nila doon? Sir Angel? Miss Angel, Sir Christian?
Kwento ko na?
Sige po.
Chismis to eh.
Yan, gusto natin yan.
Baka maano na naman. Hindi, ano yan, nagsiserve si Jameson. Sobrang galing niya.
Oh.
Naka-10 bagsak siya. Kaya, cheer lang siya. Kaya mo yan! Tumayo ka! Wala katrasan to, tumayo ka. Server ka dito, tumayo ka. Yun.
Ano, na-pressure kasi ako sa kanila.
Hindi namin siya pinagtatawanan. Mali yung ano ninyo na pinagtatawanan. Support. Support yan. Mukha lang kami nagtatawa pero hindi.
Uy, pero ang ganda po makita na. Okay, now let's go to our next BTS. Ito na. Okay, let's watch it.
Siyempre, as a third wheel. And then, photoshoot yun eh, for promo. Yeah, nag-photoshoot kami nun eh, tapos nakikita.
Uy, parang ang saya mo. Grabe yung alon kasi sa La Union, di ba? Sobrang taas talaga. Perfect. Yung time na yan, yan yung perfect ata. Kayo po mas alam yun. Pero yun ata yung magandang alon. Eh ako, di ko poobot yung sahig. Kaya nakakapit po ako sa kanila. Tapos may hawak na din ako mo di ko na. Uy, so, yan.
Yan yung wrap ng first leg natin. Tapos si Donnie lang yung naliligo. Siya lang. Tapos nung ano na tayo, it's a wrap, pumunta ka lang dun. Parang gusto mo mag-swim kasi tapos na.
Si Donnie lang.
Kasi parang si Belle yung last na pupunan, tapos si Donnie naliligo na siya doon.
So,
Naliligo ako, oo. Parang gusto na nilang mag-swim.
Kaya nga, so si Donnie, tapos sumunod si Belle.
Tapos sumunod to. Tapos ito, bakit naman sumunod ka?
Valid question.
Parang ganon. Tapos ang tagal nilang paahunin for the group shot.
Diyos ko,
Ito.
Pinanindigan ang pagiging third wheel.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero masarap talaga kasi yung dagat.
Yeah, and that was after we shot scenes sa dagat.
Yeah.
Oo. Nag-surf kami, so masaya yung part na yun.
Masaya naman itong
Tayo sa labas ng studio at kasalukuyan bumabagyo po dito sa aming set ngayon.
Natural ba yung hair niya or extension?
Miss May, ikaw na lang po kaya dito.
Kaya nakakarinig sa akin.
Bakit ganun yung boses?
Gulat ka.
In fairness naman, ako yung reporter pero mukhang ako yung nasalanta. Di ba?
Pero pinagyo talaga kayo doon.
Ano po yan? Yan po yung cycle na may first stage 1, signal 1, signal 2 na parang typhoon. Tapos safe naman po kami and the shoot must go on. Pero binigyan ko lang ng joke time, gano'n. Pero it's such an honor na ma-interview ang ating highly respected and award-winning actress, Miss Miley.
Ang saya, no? Kahit na binabagyo, talaga nag-push through. And kita namin good vibes pa rin yung set. Good vibes pa rin. And last but not the least, balita ko may pa-surprise daw na nangyari dito. Let's watch this! Napakabilis! Diba? Okay, one more. Ay! Abangan na lang. Uy, ano yun? Tsaka what smile was that, Donnie? Ano yun?
Di naman eksena yan eh.
Yeah!
Oo.
So, totoo
Secret
yan?
na ako nung ginagawa namin.
So to clarify, totoo yun, hindi yun eksena.
Kasi nung time na yan, we were, parang nasa kami ng coffee beans. May nakita akong sobrang liit na coffee bean. Sobrang liit. And I posted it on Instagram actually. I asked him if he kept the coffee beans. Ayun, so yun yung inabot ko sa kanya.
Parang ang ginawa namin, nag-start siya, inabot ako ng coffee bean ni Belinda. Sabi niya, ito. Ganun ako. So after that, I gave her naman an even smaller one. Then she gave me another smaller one. Then we just kept finding from the whole thing, yung yung mas may maliit na coffee bean. Di ko alam kung ba't namin ginagawa yun. Yun lang ginagawa namin. So randomly,
Sa mga nanonood sa live stream, lahat po dito nag-weh!
pero nasa akin pa rin yung coffee bean.
Magtatanong yan, well.
Ikaw ba, Bel? Nasa iyo pa ba yung mga coffee bean?
Ginawa ko na pong kape.
Well, ang cute naman. At least, diba, nakita natin na hindi yung Excel na talaga may ganun pala na na-reveal na ginagawa nila. So,
Sino nag-take ng mga BTS photos na to? Galing nyo ha, hindi namin alam nag-film kayo habang...
Actually, Miss Scarlett,
Miss
kayo ba?
Scarlett, saan galing lahat to?
Ganun siya, multitasker si Miss
Alam nyo
Scarlett.
ba guys, na film tayo? Sino ba yung sa inyo, yung nagtatawanan kayo? Alam nyo ba may nag-BTS? Joke lang. Love namin yung, yung content team namin.
Yes, ang galing. May mga authentic na eksenang nakunan din. Nabitin ba kayo dun sa BTS, guys? You want more? Okay, let's watch this. Meron pa.
And, 3, 2, 1, action!
Bumabagyo po dito sa aming set ngayon.
Sorry, ang lakas!
So there you go. Yan po ang series na gagawin sa View, yung Red Flag Diaries. Dahil alam namin gusto nyo ng BTS. So every Monday and Tuesday, that's today, di ba? 25, 26 may bagong episodes, di ba? Every Monday, Tuesday yan. Tapos pag Friday, pag miss na miss nyo na yung Don Bell, may lalabas na bagong BTS episode. So, that's November 29 na lalabas yung Red Flag Diaries exclusively on View! Ano ba? Busog na busog lahat. Di ba, meron tayo totoong episodes ng show plus BTS pa. Okay? Ito na talaga yung MediaCon. Dito pa lang mag-start. Let's move on to our Q&A segment. Ito pa lang po yun. Okay. We are truly honored to welcome some of our valued friends from the media who are here with us today. So we'd love to hear from them. Where's our friend from Business Mirror? Do I ask the question or sila po? Okay, ask po ang ating friend from Business Mirror. This is your time to shine. Please ask your question for our beloved Don Bell or our cast and director of How to Spot a Red Flag. Okay, ako na lang po ang magbabasa ng kanyang question. Okay, this is for Dirk Dwayne. This is for you. Sorry, I keep on surprising you, no? Alright, Dirk Dwayne, what does this project have to offer that makes it different from those that they have done in the past?
Syempre, ito yata yung matagal nang inaabangan ng buong fandom na very light lang siya, romantic comedy. So, para siyang breath of fresh air talaga para sa ating mga nakaabang. And I think ibang-iba from dun sa jump off ng Don Bell coming from this. So, exciting siya for all of us. Sa akin din. Yun.
Feel na nga po namin yung pagka-light and pagka-rombo. Ngayon pa lang na MediaCon pa lang. Thank you very much, Bo, for answering. Now let's go to our next question from Daily Tribune. Yes, I'll be reading it. If you could describe your character in 3 words, what would they be and why? So this is for everyone. Describe your character in 3 words. Kira, maybe you can start this one. Hi, Kira!
Uy, dito ko malaki. character, I would say that she's loving, she's selfless, and I think she's religious. Ayun.
Can you tell us why? Bakit yun yung mga napili mo? And describe to us a little bit kung sino ba yung character mo.
Consult mo na kay Derek, ano? I play the role of Christine. Si Christine po ay, gaya po ng sinabi ko, she's very religious. She's very driven by her faith, which leads her to become a missionary. So, abangan po natin kung saan siya mag-missionary. Ayun.
Thank you very much, Kira.
Alam niyo na ba? Oh my gosh, Eme! Ayan, so ganda. Alam niyo pala, sorry.
Thank you. Okay, Esmir, 3 words, please. Oo, sabi ni Daily Tribune.
Okay, siguro sa akin is straight. Ay, serious. Bubbly. Yes, para sa mga bubbly tayo dyan. Tapos, bestie and sulsol sa best friend. Yes, no matter what.
Aabangan namin ang mga sul-sul mo na yan. Okay, Jason, how about you?
Brotherhood, waves, and playtime.
Ano yun? Scammer? Oo nga yan.
Scam.
Gusto ko yung kayo rin nag-suggest. Kasi nga napanood nyo na. Good job! Alright, let's go to Sir Christian.
Ano siya, disciplinarian, business-minded, and cute.
I love it. May balance.
Dapat mo isip eh.
Bagay naman po talaga. Tama naman po. Thank you, Sir Christian. Sir Benji?
Loving, overprotective, guwapo.
Oh, hindi na kailangan i-explain yun. Tama naman. Oh. Miss Angel?
Ako, ano ba ako? Son. Maganda daw, sabi ng anak ko eh, badyo nyo ah. Pretty lang kayo, sa kanya magandang maganda. Anyway, no, very loving, supportive, and clingy. Di ba no? Ang clingy ng nanay mo.
Thank you, Miss Angel. Miss Maylene?
Gandang-ganda sa sarili. Mas lalong nagandaan sa sarili. Loving mother, very, family-oriented. And handsome. Family-oriented and very sporty. Tamad din ako maglaba. Mga damit ko dito, konti lang.
Thank you very much, Miss Maylene. And of course, we go to Don Bell. Who would like to go first?
Yun nga, pumunta tayo doon. Wait lang. And then, ano muna, family-oriented si Cha. Wait lang, wala nang bilangan ng words to. Ang hirap naman po ng 3 words.
Go.
Family-oriented si Cha. Matulungin siya sa family niya. So, family-oriented siya. Second is, passionate siya sa kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Sa cafe niya, ayan, sa pagtulong ng parents niya. Minsan passionate din siya sa love. So, yun nga po, going there, marupok. So yun po si Cha.
Thank you, Belle. Donnie?
Si Matt naman. Bright. He's a very bright guy. Charming. And loving.
Parang ikaw lang din pala, Donnie. Okay, thank you. And now we have, of course, the one and only Mr. MJ Felipe in the house.
Siyang mic.
Ito na po, may express delivery tayo ng mic. There you go.
Naku, titili pa tulang lakas ako. Ihahabol ko na to. Nakakabata Maylene, Angel Yung mga sagot ninyo, yung mga energy ninyo, grabe. Pero Bel, I saw the first episode. I made sure that I watched the first episode bago ako pumunta dito. So, hindi mo natapos yung line mo. Mas cute ka sa Di ba? Ayaw bang sabihin sa harap ni Donnie ngayon yun?
Yung line kong yun? Talaga, ma. Sorry po, ma. Magpapakatino na po ako, ma. Mas cute ka sa fur. Ayun lang. Hindi ko tutuloy.
Hindi mo matuloy.
Hindi ko tutuloy. Panoorin niyo.
Okay. Natuwa ako dun sa mga behind the scene kwentos nila Miley, nila Angel, ni Benji, and Christian. Ang gusto kong malaman, Donnie and Belle, yung mga pakilig nyo ba, yung mga tinginan, yung mga eksena nakakakilig, nire-rehearse nyo pa ba yun o natural lang?
Ayun, natural daw.
With all honesty yan ha, Donnie and Belle ha, with all honesty, nire-rehearse nyo pa yun o talagang hindi na?
Yung kilig, hindi nare-rehearse yun, syempre. Pero kasi, to be honest, dati, nung nag-start pa kami, hindi namin pa nagigets yung emotions ng isa't isa, yung ibibigay ng isang character sa isang eksena, how we'll give and take. But you know, after working with each other, I think for this specific series, yes, we would rehearse yung lines and stuff, or yung actions for the most part, but ang ginawa namin, and direct also really allowed us to have this free spaces. Whatever happens na lang sa eksena, yun na lang yung mangyari. Kasi kung masyado mong i-rehearse yung kilig tsaka yung mga tingin, hindi na magiging natural. So, ayun, parang mas nafe-feel na lang namin yung scene. We're just being in that scene,
In the
being in that
moment.
character, yes.
So yung napapanood namin, natural na yun?
Yes, yes. Sana. I think, kasi you can't fake it eh. Hindi mo naman pwedeng i-peke yung kilig, di ba? So, yeah, totoo. Kinikilig ako sa scenes namin. So, and yeah, we do rehearse yung actions, yung lines namin. But then, I think what makes it natural is that when we react with it, paano kami mag-react sa isa't isa.
Yung, last na lang po, yung kilig kasi, hindi yun na-fake eh, di ba? Talagang natural yun. So may something ba kaya natural?
Siyempre kami ni Belle, sobrang genuine lang namin sa isa. So, lahat ng pinapakita namin siyempre, nafe-feel talaga namin. Naka-episode 1 and 2 po lang tayo so marami pa pagdadaanan si Matt and siya. So, get ready for the more killing scenes and the more light scenes.
Alam kong hindi ka naglalay kasi hindi namumula ilong mo.
Tama!
Di ba? Nanood ako
Napanood.
Nanood talaga ako. Belle, ikaw, your answer to that.
Giniginaw po ako. I'm just really happy that I get to do this with him, and I'm grateful that I have him in my life.
Wala, umiyan na. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Belle.
Thank you, Sir MJ Felipe. Alam niyo, habang sumasagot kayo, nagtutula kayo si ST tsaka si Jameson. Sobrang hilig. Alright, now let's go to our next question. This is coming from Metro Style. What did you find most exciting about the series the moment you found out about it? Who would like to answer? Here you go now. The moment you found out about it, ano yung
Sige, I'll start. I think it was the setting when it was gonna be in the beach and we're all gonna be there. Ina-imagine ko na yung buong set namin kung ano yung magiging dynamics ng lahat. So that was one of the biggest things that really excited me.
I'm trying to... I think, na-mention ko na to before, di ba? Hindi pa kasi ako nakapunta ng La Union. Ever. So first, yes! Di ba? First time ko makapunta ng La Union. And grabe, nung ang dami ko nasubukan doon, first time ko mag-surf. Parang na-inlove ako sa lugar. So parang mas naging intact ako sa character kong si Cha. And the story parang while reading the script nga, kinikilig na ako. What's more, if, panoorin namin, ang ganda ng connection ng lahat ng characters namin.
Talagang parang isa sa mga major elements dun sa series, yung location talaga, no? Ang ganda na nasa laon nila. Okay, now let's go to our last question. This is coming from Cosmo, and this is for everyone. What would be your ultimate dating advice for people who are looking for real love in this day and age? These are Christian favorites here. Advice. So, ultimate dating advice for people who are looking for real love in this day and age.
Sa akin pa talaga. Siguro, yung masasabi ko is, you don't find love, you let love find you. Sinat-GPT ko yun. Yes, I believe na don't rush things. Kagaya nga sa mga na-experience ko ng mga friends ko these days na parang napi-peer pressure, they really want the wala pa akong ka-experience, malapit na. Watch ko.
Malapit na o malapit sa'yo?
Yes, ayun. Don't rush things and you focus on yourself, syempre. Kasi if you learn to love yourself, then you can, you know, you are lovable.
Thank you, Esme.
Diba, love?
Habang overall this side po, meron po ba kayong ultimate dating advice para sa mga kabataan ngayon looking for Okay, Sir Benji.
Parang I'm the wrong person to ask. Sa akin kasi yung date, hindi mo na kailangan ng advice dun. Dahil daratingin. Kasi pag nakinig ka sa lahat, magiging parang steep yung conversation. So, I guess, hindi pinaplano talaga. Basta. Parang hindi na date tawag. Parang casual na nila. Dating. Ganon din. Kaya ano lang, wala lang advice kailangan. Nasa sa inyo yun. So be natural kung ano yung nasa loob nyo. At yun lang.
Huwag i-overthink, gano'n. Talagang
yeah,
kung ano lang yung ma-feel.
Yeah, please siya.
Ayaw nga ganitong bagay, alam mo naman. Karoon tayo sa mga ganitong bagay. Ako siguro yung ano ko, parang kung ano ang sasabihin ko sa anak ko. Agree ako sa sinabi ni Esnir na enjoy the moment. Ano ang sinabi mo, bro?
Be natural lang daw po.
Be natural. Tsaka take your time. Oo, take your time. Huwag madali. Enjoy every moment. Diba? Yung mga, i-enjoy nyo yung mga tinginan ninyo sa isa't isa. Diba? Parang sila nagpipilinan. Kayo nag-i-enjoy eh. Diba? I-enjoy nyo yun. Basta take your time. Diba? Tawa yung bro, no? At saka, enjoy the moment. Yun.
Salamat po sa pag-recap ng mga answers nila, Sir Christian. Thank you po sa summary. Opo. Alright. May gusto ba po bang force behind the success of several local View series? A key leader at View, she drives the brand's content strategy in the Philippines. Known for her visionary approach to storytelling and streaming innovation. Please join me in welcoming View Philippines' head of content, Miss Scarlett Garcia! Magsasayo po tayong lahat, Scarlett! So hard. Yan po, okay. Hello, hello!
Did you hear what he said?
Love you, tita.
Love you from Donnie. Hi. Okay, guys. It's an exciting day. And we thank each and every one of you for your energy. You feel that same great energy here, on the show, on the set. And we thank you to all the fans who've gone out of their way to help promote the show. Thank you. So I wanted to start that on behalf of the View Philippines regional team, the View Philippines Philippine team with our country manager Vinci Sikia, the content team Mil, Sophie, Stacy, Karen, our marketing team Maddie, who made this entire event extra special with her team. Thank you. I hope you feel the love. in every single element of this special event. Thank you on behalf of them. Welcome to our MediaCon. Today is the day we launch How to Spot a Red Flag, our first View Original, an original story with ABS-CBN. So in putting together with this show, it was so important for us to create what we call an elevated series with the challenge to redefine what a series from the Philippines can look like and feel like and sound like. And we had to start with Green Flag, starting with focusing on the Filipino culture and incorporating it into the story, showcasing the best of the Philippines on camp and off camp, and with a city like La Union. So we started with La Union this year, and we're so excited going into 2025 because this is our 5th partnership title with ABS-CBN. We are so proud because coming from the high, the record-breaking success of Bel Mariano. Guys, during every lock-in, Bel
Dreamtime Entertainment. We hope that you all enjoy the new episodes every Monday and Tuesday. And again, yung mga BTS, yung mga behind the scenes called Red Flag Diaries, they will be out every Friday naman. Again, all of that exclusively on View. So we hope you can download the app. And please look at our official photographer, Sarah. Smile! 3, 2, 1, smile! Hula by Matthew. Sa mga may LSS natin. Okay, finger heart up, finger heart! Yes! Go back to your seats. Maraming salamat po. Again, to our dear VIPs, you may now go back to your seats. And to our cast members, please stay for a family photo as well with just the cast members. Actors naman of Don Bell. How is it working po with Don Bell? Who would like to start? Nagdisilat si Bell. Esneer! Ako talaga yung ikaw na, Esneer.
Hello po. Salamat sa pagpunta sa concert ko, guys. Of course, it's English. It's always an honor working with them. Actually, na-realize ko na yung pinaka-first movie ko is with them, and right now, pinaka-first series ko is also with them. It's parang first time pa rin siya, and of course, super grateful to have worked with them, and together with these veteran actors and actresses. Totoo naman yung smile! Diba? Kahit ako yung dinodog show nila dun sa set, I'm having fun. Parang hindi totoo na honored ka eh. Sobrang honored, top 1 pa nga eh. Ayun, how about you, love?
I really enjoyed working with SK. It's actually my first time working with Don Bell. Second time with Bell actually, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really a nice and fun project, and I really like my role. At the same time, it's in a really nice place, La Union. We're surfing and we're just having a good time. So, ayan.
It's always a nice working experience with Don Bell. Parang kahit sinong nakakatrabaho kayo, always good words ang lumalabas sa kanila na parang talagang sobrang professional, sobrang babait. Now we'd like to hear from our highly respected, award-winning, top caliber actor. And thank you so much to all of the Bobbies here. Babay sila lahat sa akin, yes. So, again, congratulations to the whole team and a huge thank you to everyone. Once again, I'm Isa La Cruz and I've been your host for the How to Spot a Red Flag MediaCon and Fan Meet. And sends off Donnie, Belle, and the rest of the team.